Hello and welcome to the FB Chat Cash. I am super excited to be able to bring this presentation to you. I am getting ready to blow your mind and show you how to make some serious money with our Facebook chats that we've set up for you guys. Now, we've already launched the Facebook Friends Club. We've shown you how to monetize your Facebook Friends list. If you're not a member of that, you need to join the Facebook Friends Club so that you can start making money over there with every one of your Facebook friends. But now I'm getting ready to show you how to monetize the chats, guys. Our chats are making people money. Now, I first want to thank you for requesting more information on this post from either me or one of my team members that's already in making money. I want to thank you for requesting more information. And for the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how we're monetizing our Facebook chats and people are getting paid. This has never been done before, guys. I want to stand on that. As long as I've been on Facebook, I've never seen anybody with this type of innovation where we're monetizing Facebook chats, guys. No one has ever done that. So you definitely want to get in this because it's going to definitely go viral and it's going to blow up. You want to get ahead of the curve and get in here and start making this money. The FB Chat Cash is here. We're about to change the way that we network and earn on Facebook by monetizing our Facebook chats. What we have created is a fun and simple way to monetize our Facebook chats by plugging it directly into a powerful income generating system. Everyone has a Facebook friend, right? Everyone has Facebook friends that they chat with. I'm about to show you how to turn those Facebook friends into cash money, into dollars, guys. Your friends list is a gold mine. Many people on Facebook have 100, 500, 1,000, and for some, like me, I have over 1,000 friends in my friends list. The problem is that most people that have these friends, right, they do not understand that they are sitting on $1 million gold mine because they don't know how to monetize the list. We've shown you how to do that over on the Facebook Friends Club, but now we're getting ready to show you how to do it within our chats. Let me explain. Due to the recent global pandemic and its ongoing threat to the general public, everyone is struggling financially. Jobs have been lost, leaving many people to set out on new ventures in order to generate money to support their families. Where are these people that I just mentioned? These people are sitting right now on your Facebook page ready to chat with you and get paid while doing it. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to take your Facebook friends, send them a short message that we've created for you, and get paid when they join. Now, let's keep it real. Although there are many people on Facebook friends list, this opportunity makes hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It won't interest them because of the simple fact, some people just don't get it. You could put something very simple in front of somebody, they'll walk away from that and go get into something really hard that they never make any money in, right? This is only, and I mean only, for those that understand that the power is in your list. The power is in your Facebook friends list. Others will continue on struggling and become financially successful when true wealth is clearly right in front of their faces. But check this out, guys. Most importantly, do not be discouraged or disappointed for 1 minute by those people that say, oh, I'm not interested. The truth of the matter is this. You do not need a lot of people to create a powerful income stream over here with what we've created, guys. The smart people will jump right in and start making money today. If you're smart, you're going to jump in here and start making money today, while those that walk away will still continue to struggle and make up excuses while they're suffering. So please keep that in mind. Now, how does this work? Monetizing our Facebook chat is super simple. What makes this almost effortless is that the people are already sitting there chatting with you anyway. The people are already there. You don't even have, when somebody say, do I have to recruit? No, you don't, because of the simple fact, you guys are already friends. Somebody sent someone a friend request and someone accepted it. So you guys are already friends. So there's no one to recruit because you guys are already connected. The only thing that you have to do is get them activated and earning. To monetize your chat, you only need a few simple components. And these are the components. An inexpensive system which produces income. We've already plugged that into each one of our chats. A friend pre-written invitation to your friend to join. We're going to give you that when you become a member. The particular chat for networking. We've already set up each of our chats. Friends that are in need of income. You already know who they are on your Facebook friends list. So you have every component that you need to get paid, right? Now let's look at our cash generators, guys. Facebook chat has 3 scalable monetization levels. The 25, that's where everyone starts, at the 25. The 50 and the 100, which are scalable. Each chat member starts at the 25 silver membership level. A member can then scale up to the higher membership packages from pure profit. Now I'm going to say this. The first thing I'm going to do is this. We're going to get you in. You're going to pay $25 $25 to get into the chat. Once you get into the chat, my next mission is to get you your money right back. I want to put that 25 that you invested right back into your pocket. I'm going to show you now how we're going to do that. Now, like I said, we have 3 different memberships. The silver membership, which means that you earn $25 per Facebook friend. The gold membership, where you earn $50 per Facebook friend, and that powerful 100, where you earn $100 per Facebook friends. Now, our membership packages, let's talk about them. We have made available to our members 3 powerful membership packages, right? Now, these packages, the 25 silver, the 50 gold, and the platinum, which is 100. Now, each of our packages contain award-winning marketing trainings, which are available to members in the form of digital downloads. So can no one say, well, hey, you guys just moving money? No, we have digital products in each one of our levels, the 25, 50, and the 100. That is powerful, guys. That means that you're going to be having something that's more powerful than just you joining the chat. You're going to get some products and services that you can use to further your business, right? Or start a business. Now, what we want you to do is this. Scale your way to the top. Now, as you scale your way to the top, you're going to be putting crazy money into your pocket. I'm going to show you that in a minute when we go into the compensation plan. To help each of our members to succeed, our platform is 100% scalable. What this means is that a new member can start with a small one-time $25 investment and move into the higher levels from pure profit. By using this method, everyone can move their way to the top of the chat cash earning potential in a short amount of time. Now we're going to dive into this compensation plan, because that's why you're here. That's what you want to see, and you want to see how you're going to join this chat and start making money. Now, moving from the left to the right on our chart, this is our first chart. This is the how to join all chats. We have 3 chats, the 25, 50, and the 100. I'm going to show you how to join all chats, take possession of all marketing systems in a short amount of time. You can do that today. Today you can do that with what I'm about to show you. Moving from the left to the right, we have our packages, which is the silver, gold, and platinum. Our friends, we're starting with 3, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this with 3 Facebook friends, guys. This is amazing. This is the income based off of those friends. This is your scale up upgrades, because remember, you're going up to the next level from pure profit. And this is your bankable income. What I want to do first is get you right here. I want to get your $25 back into your pocket that you invested to join. Now, moving from the left to the right, let's get started. Let's assume that you're already in and you've paid your $25 and you're in the chat and you get ready to go out and grab your first 3 friends. Now, when you grab your first 3 Facebook friends and they come into the chat, that is $25 times that 3. That multiplication gives us $75. From the $75, scale up to the gold level for $50. $50 is going to put you into the gold level. You're going to get the gold marketing system and move into that gold chat, right? After that, you're going to have $25 left over, which is what my mission was, to get you your $25 back in your pocket. So now you have your money back. You're here for free. We call it playing with the casino's money. Now let's make some real money. Now what's going to happen is your 3 friends are going to duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key. They're going to share with 3 great friends just like you did. They're going to earn $75 and upgrade to you for $50. When they upgrade to you for $50, the same people, when they upgrade to you for $50, that is a total of $150. From the $150, scale up to your last level, which is the premium platinum at $100. Banking for yourself, $50. That's pretty cool, right? Nothing to it but to do it, right? Now, when your team members do the same thing that you did, upgrade into the $100 platinum level, because they want to make that big money too, that means time those 3 people is going to give you $300. But look right here. It says nothing is coming out of that $300. Wow. Because you already own all 3 of the levels. That $300 moves over into what we call your green, which is your keepable, spendable money. Now, let's look at our stats for that particular kickoff. That's where you started at. Let's look at the stats and see what happened. First of all, you made a one-time investment of $25. You brought in 3 of your friends. The membership packages, you now own all 3 of those, silver, gold, and that big boy premium platinum. Your income commissions was $375. Your income potential now at this point is unlimited because you own all of the package. Let's move down into our FB Chat Cash Earning Chart number 2. This is where the big money comes in, because if you notice right here in the scalable upgrades, each upgrade says 0. Why? Because you already own all of them from your first chart. Now let's move in and bring in now. Let's beef it up a little bit. You have a couple things in your favor. You own all of the particular packages, the silver, gold, and platinum, and you also have something that we call PP. payment proof. You have that payment proof showing that you have earned $375 in this chat. People are going to be running to get in, but we're going to scale it down to 10. Let's say you bring in 10 friends. You first of all, you bring in those 10 friends the same way you came in by giving them the link to your marketing system. That's going to be $25 from those 10 friends for a total of $250. From the $250, nothing is coming out because you already own the silver, gold, and the platinum. That means $250 moves over into your green, and like I told you, that's the spendable cash. When they duplicate that effort, because duplication is the key, going into the 50, when they bring in their people and upgrade to you for 50, times the 10 people, that is $500, guys. From the 500, nothing comes out. 500 moves into your green. Oh, wow. When they do just like you did and take possession of your that last level, which is that big boy platinum at 100, time those 10 friends, guys, that is $1,000 coming to you. From the 1,000, nothing comes out, 1,000 moves into your green. Now let's look at these stats and get excited and ready to roll, okay? One-time investment of $25 was already taken care of. Right, number of friends here, 10. You brought in 10 friends. Membership packages that you own, you already own the silver, gold, and platinum. Now they do too. Income commissions coming to you, $1,750, guys. $1,750 from a $25 investment that you have your money back from. And now your income potential, once again, is unlimited. Wow. Let's look at those stats again. I love it, right? You came in with 25 on your first chart, so didn't nothing come out for this one. You brought in 10 great people just like yourself. You already own the silver, gold, and the platinum, and you earned $1,750. Plus, you already have your $25 back in your pocket that you started with. Guys, this thing is amazing. We have created innovation over here that no one has ever done. And I'm going to tell you what's even better. We have a mobile app getting ready to come out for this. But right now, we're just running the system. We're going to have a mobile app up. The mobile app is going to be $25 to get. If you decide to get it, let me know. But right now, all you need is $25. Get in touch with the person that sent you. If it was me, let me know that you're ready to go so I can get you in here and get you earning, guys. We're getting ready to change the game, man, on Facebook because there's not enough money being made. We see a lot of people staggering around, but we're going to show you how to take Facebook itself and turn it into money. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance to Chat Cash. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you on the inside. Get back to your sponsor or get back to me so I can get you signed in and earning today. You have a great day, and take care.